Did you know the CIA once hired a man to hunt Soviet spies, and he was already one? Aldrich Ames joined the CIA in 1962. He worked his way up for over 2 decades. Eventually, he ran the very unit responsible for catching Soviet moles inside the agency. He was the mole. Starting in 1985, Ames began selling names to the KGB. Every Soviet asset secretly working for the CIA. He handed them over one by one. Most were executed. He was paid millions for it. And he was not subtle. He bought a $500,000 house in cash. He drove a Jaguar. He made $70,000 a year. His colleagues noticed. They ran security reviews on him. They cleared him. For 9 years, the man running the investigation was the answer to it. It wasn't until 1994 that the FBI finally caught him, after years of ignoring the obvious. Aldrich Ames didn't outsmart the CIA. The CIA just refused to see what was right in front of them.